Alright, so what it feels like after years, we finally broke out of the apartment, went into a beach vacation to Mallorca, Spain. Courtney and I have been meaning to get to the beach ever since we got to Europe, but we haven't quite really had the time. Not to mention we always prioritize places near Germany and France and Italy and all that, so we finally got out here, and let me tell you, this place is absolutely gorgeous. Our first impressions of the city, there's a ton of really good food that's really close. We actually stayed in Puerto Soller, which is a smaller town outside of where a lot of the other folks hang out in Palma. And this place seems to be a little bit calmer, a little bit quieter, and seems a lot more focused on what we like to do, which is to get a lot of sun and eat a ton of tapas. So let's go ahead and check out the rest of this city.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands. It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd, but their hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me.
Now generally we'd show you the rest of the 360, but those people over there don't mind tan lines.
They do mind that.
Oh, they do mind tan.
There's a lot of naked people.
There's a lot of naked people over there.
It's the sharpest cry, the head goes but wide, where the desperate lie. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among.
So Courtney and I are heading to the marina because we did something a little crazy today. So instead of laying around the beach like we would normally do, today we're actually chartering a yacht. Generally speaking, we would go on a big group thing, but the company didn't have a group, so they said, why don't we just give you a really good price on a yacht, so we're gonna do it all by ourselves. I feel like we're Jay-Z and Beyonce. This is awesome.
Nothing out there could ever stop me from chasing after the way you love me, keeping me up 2 cups of coffee. Baby, you make me feel so lovely. I keep on running, no, I should've wanted I keep on falling right into your thought, I can't get you off my mind. So sweet, yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I want is sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy, sweet. Yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I want is sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy. Oh, what a rush each time you catch me chasing after the way you love me. Color my life up like confetti. Baby, you make me feel so lovely.
All right, just before we got moving today, we got informed that we got upgraded to the larger boat, which is called the Seashar. Now this boat actually holds 11 people, and it's just Courtney and I and our boat captain, Max. Look at the views that we have. Look at this thing.
Sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy.
We have the entire boat to ourselves.
Please, it's like yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on your skin. Everything I want is like this. Please, it's like nothing out there could ever stop me from chasing after the way you love me, keeping me up 2 cups of coffee. Baby, you make me feel so lovely, 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 so sweet. Yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on your sweet. Everything I want is sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy. Sweet, yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on your sweet.
We are pretty much all by ourselves in this little cave, and it's beautiful. This water is glowing.
I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, fly.
They'd call it an expert sailor, so I'm handling the navigation from here on out. Tacks and jibs, and I know all about it.
Actually, that guy does.
Courtney.
Don't hesitate now. There's too much in front of you to take a hit now. Prepare for the worst, but prepare for the best. Cause only your mind holds the curse that you partner with it. I ain't tryna stop you from the love that guides you. I just wanna be the one to try you, mold you, make sure that you're on a good road. Little did you know I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 for the get by. Don't hold back on this here fly. I can get fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. I can get fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. I can get fly, fly. Fly, fly. I can get fly, fly. Fly, fly. Got a pack in the back and a seat on my left. What you wanna do, baby? You the best. Coming from the east, not the west. Southside got it written on my chest. And you know this is real love. I just wanna be the one to guide you, mold you, make sure that you're on the right road.
Seafood. The prices all seem pretty reasonable, and it seems like a really cool place to stay. And the best part about it is it's got a really chill vibe. So while Mallorca has sort of the reputation of being sort of a party spot, this place is actually really laid back. So we really enjoy it.